If you need to let someone manage your Facebook page but not sure how to give them admin access, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to give Facebook page admin access so you can add team members safely and manage your page with ease. First of all, open up your Facebook app, then tap on these three lines. From here, switch to that page on which you want to add admin. Once done, tap on these three lines here. Go to Settings and Privacy, then press on Settings. Scroll down. In Audience and Visibility section, you will find an option as Page Setup. Go there. Page Access. Press here on Add New. Next. Here, search for that profile you want to add as an admin. Like, I want to add Wakar Zaka as an admin, so I will tap on it. If you want to give full access to the person, then enable this. One thing to keep in mind that by enabling this, the person can give access to others, remove anyone from the page, including you, or even can delete the page. Understood? Press on Give Access. Enter your Facebook account password. Press Confirm, and a notification will be sent to the person with an invitation. He needs to accept to become an admin. To remove access, simply tap on these three dots, cancel invitation, and the person will be removed. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.